Okay. Here we go. Hi. You guys wanted a tiebreaker, and all you seem to watch is us burping. So we're gonna do it.
With the liter of pop this time?
Yeah.
No, just wait. It's gonna overflow.
Jenna's yelling at me.
It's gonna overflow. And it's on my carpet.
Oh, muffin.
Do you want to clean it up? Didn't think so. Do you want a voice pop? No, didn't think so.
I need to burp right now.
Cheater.
No. That was a late reaction. Oh my god. Fuck.
This is so fascinating. Look at it.
There's so many bubbles, and it's cheap pop.
Burp, burp, burp. We're gonna burp the hell out of this thing. I can feel it on my face. Ready? For this? Look at the bubbles.
Look at them.
What's it of Nemo?
Bubbles, 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 my bubbles, my bubbles, 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 my bubbles.
My bubbles.
The little yellow guy.
I love the little yellow dude.
Okay, just drink it.
This is a 2 liter. I lied. This is a 2 liter, not a 1 liter.
2 liters.
2 liters. Oh fuck.
I get to pee so bad after.
It's hard to keep the burps down, man.
Mm-hmm. My eye's itchy.
Yeah. Really?
That was so gross. That was hot, right? Oh my god, that scared me. My eye.
Makes me feel good.
Makes me feel good.
We are now obsessed with Hunter Hayes.
Hunter Hayes, he's so hot and he's just amazing. Check
Yes.
him out if you guys like country.
Mm-hmm.
Look how far we're down to.
We're just
Burping's so gross. Why do you guys like it? Like, honestly, please comment and let us know why you watch us burping.
unless you're an old man who's
Like
they're
some
like
fetish, like bathing at our videos. Please stop that.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks. I can hear you gulp. Funny.
That's hot.
Look at all these bubbles. My bubbles.
Just drink it so I can take another pop, another sip before I burp.
Oh.
Drink. Right. Bitch! You're not even looking at me.
Oh, it's 10:09.
tastes like omelet. I thought that was gonna be way louder. Oh, I feel sick already. It's not my fault if I'm crazy. No. 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 Oh, I don't even want to drink this.
Yeah, me either. My tummy hurts.
Mine too. But we have like less than half left.
Gotta burp.
Oh, I really don't feel good now.
You can save this for another time. They're gonna want more burping videos.
Yeah.
Because they feel sick. as
Yeah, we
fuck.
can't finish it. We drank like up to there of a 2-liter in like however long this video is. I can't finish it.
Can't.
Gross.
So gross. You gotta just see me projectile vomit.
Everywhere.
No more. No more.
Okay, we're not doing this 2-liter thing ever again.
Ever. We'll just stick to 2 cans. 2 cans works for us. Twitch.
Okay, we should probably turn the camera off now.
I think they like hearing us rant. No, I'm just kidding.
Just kidding, you guys fucking hate listening to us rant, so don't watch our fucking rant video.
You just like the fact that we burp.
Yeah, why? It's not cute.
Not cute. It's gross.
It is gross.
So gross. You guys make us feel sick. But
Yeah.
you guys drink all this pop. That's so mean.
That was a weird burp. It is mean! How'd you like it if we made you drink this much pop in like 3 minutes?
You feel pretty damn sick.
And you won't look sexy doing it either.
Nope.
Oh my gosh.
I should turn the camera off before I puke.
Okay.